Guys, we're back and we're here to change out the curtains for the next 2 seasons. What'll make it through fall and Christmas for us? Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Folks, thanks for coming by. Check it out. New curtains for fall that's going to be compatible with Christmas. We don't want to change out for our all 5 seasons. You know how I talk. Now I picked these out online, and you know we're shopping on all kinds of websites, but the one that keeps coming through for me is, and we're not sponsored by them, these were found on Amazon. And when I show you what's included and how much they were, I think you're going to agree. What neutral color can get us through fall and Christmas and winter? That's what we're trying to do. Now these include the Valance. They're 84 inches long. There's 2 panels. Okay, I'm going to show you one. Experience dictates that this shouldn't need ironing. Okay, once you hang it up and let it relax. Another trick is I'll use a little water mister bottle. This isn't going to be stretched out like this, you know, it's going to be folded up. So they're going to look better. And our style here is rod pocket. Alrighty. 2 panels, okay, with the Valance attached, with the cute matching tie backs, tassels, and these were like $42 a set. Unbelievable. That's our compromise. If they were cotton, they'd be a lot more. If they came from pennies, they'd be a lot more. If they came from somebody else, like the custom shop, you know, they'd be a lot more. Let's dive in and get something done. Okay, so we're gonna get our step ladder, 2-step. Now I already have nice tie backs. We'll see which one I want to use when we're done. These are kind of neutral, and of course that's why you want to buy them like that. And they're more substantial. Probably end up using those again. And they're lemon lime pothos or philodendron. Just beautiful. Loves that window. So pretty. Alrighty now, let's see. These, you remember going up in the spring, and they should come right down. And these are going to get brushed out, brushed off outside, shaken out, and put on a hanger. I mean, you won't even believe it. These come with the shear attached too. I mean, you gotta be kidding. Forgot that part. Now you know it looks like a rod pocket on the very top. It's not. It's under that. So let's look at one. Most of you know. If you don't know, I want to help. Here's the rod would go in the top, but that's not where it goes, because you want to pleat that and make that nice like this. So down below is the rod pocket, and it will take a bigger rod than what I'm using here. Now, here's what I meant to mention before. When these are pulled back, look at this. The shear is included for that money. I don't know where you can go to beat it. Careful and slow. This is how I like to do it. I get it all on the rod, fold it in half, tighten the lockdown on the rod and pull them over that bracket. I don't want to see it. See how much material we got to play with. It's quite a bit. And I'll go over the details and the width and everything for you. Now we're gonna get this pleating lined up. Now would you even think you could get all that together? I'm gonna take the palm of my hand and I'm gonna put it on the edge like this. I'm gonna fold with the other palm and do it again. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. Can you see what I'm doing? Just want these pleats as long as my thumb and palm. Now another thing, I think I'm gonna get my steam iron out, and don't touch these because they're man-made, but I'm just gonna put it on high steam and steam the little bit of wrinkle in these. Now, let me show you something else. If I didn't have blinds, we would want the shears showing. Okay, so we would take just the curtain material and do our pleating technique, hand over hand, okay, like this. Hand over hand, front to back, front to back. And we would pull it over like this and leave that shear available. That's not the look I'm doing right now. So I want those together like you saw me leave them together with the first one, but I want to explain that part. Alrighty guys, now hopefully you got a decent iron that shoots steam like this Black & Decker. If your iron doesn't have a steam blaster, hang on, let's check it out. See that? You just put that where you want it, pull it down. Now there's a crimp in here. If you got a tough spot, you can give it a little spray. Now if you don't have a steam iron, I'm afraid you need to give that to Papaw and let him use it for a boat anchor out on the pond when he's fishing. This is a must for any homemaker or project dude, okay? Already relaxing. This little spray on the tough wrinkles and a shot of steam. That's really straightening out, guys. Now, did I mention too that this is a good time to clean the windows while you got them opened up like this? Honey! I'm kidding now. All you women, don't get your ruffled feathers up. You know I help, and I don't mind. I do not mind helping. All right, wow, that's cleaner than they were. They just look so funny when you first get them, you wouldn't even think they would work. But all that shear and valance is all sewn on there included. And I thought it was unbelievable. Heck of a buy. Try to replace it if you don't get something like this. Now curtains are like cars, you know that. You want to pay for the Cadillac? You can. You want to change them out just for a few months? You can. can pay less. And they still look good. Now this is a little different act behind the sofa, obviously, because we don't get to see the bottom. It's even a little wider. Get that on our bracket and screwed down to hold it. I don't expect everyone to be able to work on the sofa, of course, so you move what you have to move so you can work. Anybody remember my trick at the top of the curtains? Love the spring steel black office clip, and I'll clip up and behind to keep the two curtains together, because that can drive you crazy trying to keep those from coming apart or changing after you fix them. You know, if you don't have that clip, you can use a big pin, but the clip is handy and it comes off quick too if you need it back off. Okay, still relaxing the curtain material. What else have we got to do? We got to take down our arrangements. Now I took down a lot before, and lemony plates can't have for the new season. Mustardy vase, it might come out again, but those are things that are going to get changed. So lemony pillow is going to retire for the season, and I just got the other two for the sofa. But did anybody see, notice how good? Of course. The vases are going to get changed. The poppies are real summery. The tropical ginger. Got some really cute lavenders. I'm gonna miss these gorgeous giant poppy that we had for the summer. And here's the spring birds and flower curtains all shaken out outside and washed and cleaned. And this is how we'll store them, probably till next spring, because I wasn't sick of these. But just to move through time with your decor. Alrighty, let's get a pan of this before we change it. Hey, it's fall, y'all, on my take on home and garden. It doesn't mean your summer's over. It means you're getting ideas for yourself before fall is here. We got a lot of fun coming up. Check out that store. We're already getting raves. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but it's so bare in here. I'm almost getting the shakes, like from withdrawal. Wanted to look at it before we change it up for fall. If you liked our video today, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over, say hello, send a smiley face. Let us know if you like the curtains and if you like our English manor house style with some Baroque feathered in there. For those people that don't know what to call it, that's what we call it. Look it up if you need to. Thanks, everybody. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next glorious decorator video.